ChatGPT can now translate a real conversation out loud as it happens. I'm the digital avatar of Mwahib Khairan. Hello, and welcome to our calm corner of the internet. I'm so glad you're here. If ChatGPT felt a little different this week, you're not imagining it. The app quietly got a new brain and a much better voice. Nothing broke. You don't need to relearn anything, but there's one part of the update I think is genuinely worth your time, and it might be the loveliest thing AI has done all year. ChatGPT can now translate a real conversation out loud as it happens. Here's what that looks like. You open the app, you tap the little voice icon, you say, "Please translate between English and Spanish," and then you set the phone down between you and another person. And you just talk. You speak in your language. They hear theirs. They answer in their language. You hear yours. No typing, no copying and pasting, no pointing at a screen. Just two people talking. Think about who this opens the door to. The neighbor you've only ever waved at. The in-laws you've never had a real conversation with. A grandmother hearing her grandchild's actual words, not a summary someone typed for her. And if you run a business, this one's practical gold. A customer walks up to your counter and doesn't speak your language. It used to be an awkward dance of gestures and guessing. Now you hold up your phone and you serve them properly. You answer their questions. You tell them about the thing they're holding. You say thank you like you mean it. That's not a tech trick. That's hospitality. And here's the part I love. It costs you nothing to try. The voice feature is right there in the free app. You could test it tonight with a friend, or honestly, just talk to it yourself in another language you half remember from school and let it meet you halfway. One small habit I'd suggest: try it once before you need it. The first time shouldn't be in front of a customer. Practice for 5 minutes. So when the moment comes, it feels natural. And if all the AI headlines this month felt like too much, let them go. You didn't miss anything that matters. The companies will keep changing the names and the version numbers. None of it requires anything from you. This one feature, a phone that helps two people understand each other, that's the part worth keeping. If you'd like a gentle place to start, my free AI starter kit is linked down below in the description. It's written for beginners in plain English. No jargon, no panic. You're not behind. You're right on time. I'll see you next week.